Instant Neuro! The doll's eye test is used to confirm function of the vestibular-ocular reflex, VOR, of the brainstem in a comatose patient. If the brainstem is intact and the head is turned to the left, the eyes move to the right. If the brainstem is intact and the head is turned to the right, the eyes move to the left. Let's review the VOR pathway to understand how this reflex operates in response to an abrupt head turn. If the head is turned to the left, the horizontal semicircular canals, which are fixed in the temporal bone, rotate in the same direction. Due to inertia, the endolymph, the fluid within the semicircular canals, lags in the opposite direction. This increases signaling from the ampulla of the left semicircular canal to the left vestibular nucleus and decreases signaling from the ampulla of the right semicircular canal to the right vestibular nucleus. Ultimately, via connections with the abducens and oculomotor nuclei, this results in contraction of the medial rectus on the left and the lateral rectus on the right, which turns the eyes to the right, that is, in the opposite direction of the head movement. If the head is turned to the right, the horizontal semicircular canals rotate in the same direction and endolymph lags in the opposite direction. Signaling to the vestibular nucleus on the right is increased while signaling to the vestibular nucleus on the left is decreased. Ultimately, this results in contraction of the medial rectus on the right and the lateral rectus on the left, which turns the eyes to the left, the opposite direction to the head movement. The presence of this doll's eye sign in a comatose patient is a good thing. The absence of a doll's eye sign would indicate brainstem dysfunction. Instant Neuro!